All right. What is up, everybody? It is me, Mike Vanderpool. I'm here today, and I'm going to do a quick logo design using Canva. Now, Canva is an awesome tool. I use it. It's free. There is a paid premium version of it, but a lot of what you need to do, getting something off the ground quickly, you can do with the Canva free tools. Here, I've got a podcast I just started, Heart of a Lions Fan podcast, based on a documentary film that I made. And in this video here, I got to cut down to like about 2.5 minutes, but in all honesty, putting this logo together, combining it with the thumbnail, and getting it uploaded and posted took less than 15 minutes. So Canva is a great way to get started with things. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Hey folks, today we are going to build a logo using Canva. Here I am inside of the Canva workspace. Everything you're going to see here is free, but I went in and grabbed one of the templates to start with and just went in and started doing some changes here. Really easy to work with Canva. Now, is it going to be what you want to use for a multi-million-dollar business that you think you're going to build? Maybe. But for me, I've got a podcast. I just need something that will help to identify the podcast. So, a logo is a brand identifier. Here we go. We're going to do some switching up of this logo, replace the text for my Heart of a Lions Fan podcast. Canva, if you haven't used it, I'm going to say is probably the #1 tool for building anything related to business. I can do my business cards here. I can do my logos here. I can do my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. Come in here, adding in a quote, just one before I die, a little funny quip there. And then just working on some of the spacing here. Really easy, really easy to use. We do pull the colors from the Detroit Lions website. That's awesome. And I like this blue. The Honolulu blue really does a nice job of sticking out. We can see here, happy little accident. When I change the color of the football element, it's got a lower opaque blue on the lower half of the football. I thought that was actually cool. I maybe tried to change it up, remove that, but it didn't actually do what I wanted it to do. But anyway, Heart of the Lions Fan as the name. I'm using some contrast here so that stands out more than everything else, using the silver from the Detroit Lions for the background. Again, moving the text, doing all this fun stuff, moving stuff around. And now, you know what? I want to add a microphone. Since this is not the movie, this is a podcast itself, I am going to go ahead here. And this is another cool thing that Canva has, a lot of the free resources. So I went in here and grabbed a microphone, kind of old school looking microphone that I put here at the top of the logo to identify this as a podcast. Doing some tweaking on the text itself here. And in all honesty, it was under 15 minutes. I was able to go in and, again, using Canva for the thumbnail for my podcast, I was able to add this logo, and now I have a complete logo and thumbnails for my Heart of a Lions Fan podcast. Hey folks, if you like this video, I'm going to be producing a whole lot more of this stuff around business, design, development, lots of cool stuff. If you'd like to keep up with me, just please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's where all of the everything is going to be communicated out and shared. So thanks for watching and have a great day.